Hey everybody, it's Nick, just arriving on a job here. I'm still loading towels into the garage as we speak. But one really good tip that I have for you, and you'll figure this out the longer you do this, is get your steamer started right away. So even as I'm getting ready to start my detail, I've got a lot of setup to do yet. I'm like, get my steamer filled with distilled water. I'm gonna put a little bit of wipeout in there. You can put optimum no rinse as well. I'm doing a calculation in my head because I have all this knowledge about the carpet cleaning industry now. I don't necessarily want to shoot no rinse filled or optimum no rinse or wipeout water, even steamed, into a carpet now because I don't know what I'm introducing. I know that it has polymers in it, but I don't quite know what those polymers do. And so I want to trust the system that I learned from the carpet cleaning industry. But I'm looking at this truck, I'm thinking, that's a work truck. Those weather techs are gonna be hammered. I don't have access to a hose, I'm gonna need the moisture. So this will give you some wetter steam. If you put some no rinse in there, I usually put maybe a half an ounce into my steamer. So get your steamer started early, because this VX5000 takes about 15 minutes to heat up. And then you can get the rest of your stuff set up. For me, I've got a generator that I need to get started, some cords to pull into the garage. As you can see, I'm all set up with my headlamp and my headphones, and then I'll throw my respirator on. But that's just a quick little piece of advice for you. If you've been doing this long enough, you'll figure it out, but if you're kind of new to the game, get your steamer going real early, and then you can keep working around, and if you've done nothing else, at least you've done something. You've got your steamer ready to go.